So you're looking to the LC 17 Rallye with the stickers, BMW World Stickers.com, where you can see the videos in the Facebook page of the same name. And here you are looking at the new model. In this case, up to here will be these letters. From here, finger up, still is the plastic protecting the tank, but only the letters will be up to here. For the LCs, without the GS emblem, it will be the whole full map. So, and there you go. Whole bike being measured. Attention to detail. Any doubts, please drop a line. Amazing bike.